What's up, guys? This is Junior from CR42hunting.com. Today we're gonna run our AK47, our AR15, our 6.5 Creedmoor, and our 308 through our concrete patio stone test. First gun we're gonna use today is our Century Arms AK47. I got this AK47, I don't know, man, 10, 11, 12 years ago, a while ago, and I blacked it out when I got it. I wish I hadn't, but I did. Anyway, I had to do some modifications to it to put a scope on top of it. That was pretty cool. Maybe we'll do a video and do that one day. This is the ammo we'll be running through with the AK-47. Next gun we'll be using today for this test is our AR-15. This is a Bushmaster AR-15. It's chambered in 223 and 5.56. You can see I put a paint job on this gun. Like I talked about in other videos, we'll do a video one day where I'll take you guys through my process of painting guns. We'll be running this 62 grain 5.56 ammo. Next gun we'll be using for today's test is our CVA Cascade 6.5 Creedmoor. This is my $300 Walmart special. It's a really good gun. You can lug this gun around all day doing a hunt with no problem. It came with a threaded barrel, which I really like, and it's just a really good gun. Like I said, it's super light and it shoots really good. We'll be using this 140 grain Winchester ballistic silver tip. And last but not least, for today's test, we'll be using our Palmetto State Arms 308. Like I told you guys before in another video, this gun's really heavy, but man, it's an AR-10, and that's kind of what you get when you got an AR-10, but shoots really good. I really like this gun. We'll be using this Winchester Super X 180 grain ammo with our 308. First gun up, AK-47. So we just took a shot with the AK-47. We got two stones down here, and it looks like got a good piece of lead that we picked up there from our AK-47, but don't think it went through the third here. You can see where it went in, but looks like we got a pretty good third block. So we'll set up and we'll take another shot. Next up is our AR-15. So we just took a shot with the AR-15, and as you can see, it split our stone, but it only split one. So our AR-15 only went through one stone. So we'll set up and we'll take our next shot. Next up, 6.5 Creedmoor. So we just took a shot with our 6.5 Creedmoor. We clearly got one stone that we got down here on the ground. So it went through one. Look at that. Look at that. Went through one. It cracked the heck out of our second stone here. And if you look really close, look at the damage we even did to our third stone. So right now, our 6.5 Creedmoor is a clear winner of this test so far. We'll line up and we'll take our last shot. All right, Last but not least, we'll take a shot on these stones with our 308. We just took our last shot with the 308. We got one complete stone on the ground. We got a second here. Picked up this. It's pretty cool. So this is the second stone, and the third stone may have cracked it just a little bit. But I think our winner today may be the 6.5 Creedmoor. So we had fun today shooting our patio stones. We took our 4 calibers and we put them through today's test, and it looks like today's winner was probably the 6.5 Creedmoor. It's really, really close between the 308 and the 6.5, but I think the 6.5 may have did a little bit more damage to our third block. So today's winner, 6.5 Creedmoor. We had a lot of fun with today's test, guys. Hey, make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button for us. Go down in the comment section and leave us some comments on stuff you guys want to see us do in the future. And make sure you guys check out our Facebook page, our Twitter page, and our Instagram also. Also, make sure you get out and check out our website, www.cr42hunting.com. Hey, we look forward to seeing you guys next time.